Alright guys, welcome to another Road to Damascus video. Or no, oh my god, I said that yesterday too. Road to Sledgehammer video. I'm pretty mad right now. I just realized that I recorded a whole video just now, like five seconds ago. As you can see, I'm on 11 now. I was at 9 as of yesterday's episode. I lost it. I lost one of the matches and wasn't able to get the knife kill. Anyway, I recorded an entire video. That was gonna be today's video, but I guess today we're getting Sledgehammer because that video I forgot to plug in my mic. Yay. So the whole thing is just a trashy no mic gameplay. And without a mic in this gameplay, is there really even a point in watching? I mean, there's already really no point in watching, even though I'm here, but I mean, come on. So let's go ahead and hop into a face-off match. Oh god, I almost have gold on this. 31 of 35. God. 48 more. Let's see, a lot more that I don't feel like doing math. 5 kills without dying. Yeah, I literally just need to get like 5 kills without dying 5 times. Kill 2 people while they're hiding from me, and I'll be good.
Capture the objective. A secure. Losing A. Taking B.
Alright. Got all of it.
Taking Alpha.
I don't know why people have to be so sweaty in this game. Like, they need to get rid of the yearly COD cycle so that we can actually have a good game. And I feel like it's bad to have the yearly COD cycle anyway, because it makes me feel like I can't play a game for longer than a year. Like, these games are amazing games.
Desperate measures. We have to take this. Taking Bravo.
Oh my god. And it feels like you can't really appreciate them as much if you only have a year with them.
Okay, I'm calling it. All operators proceed to exfil point.
1700.
Withdraw. They've got us beat.
Now that's a sad game. I didn't even play all through. I'd like just joined.
Smoke checked.
Well, there's that. Don't know. Oh my god, you can see my games where I've been recording. Like, these games are the games I spend, these are the 3 games every day that I use the knife in. It's just an even line of sadness. These are the games I use the knife, I think. I don't know, I have an average of 340 score per minute. Alright, we'll go to damage. What? What a damage. Jesus. 1.51 KD usually. 25 average limbs. And I have a 60. Alright, well, how about we get into a match that doesn't start right away and I can actually play? Wouldn't that be great? I have really nothing to talk about in this video. I am like brain dead right now. I have no idea what to talk about. It's usually in my first video of the day. Like if I post to like an Abzu video, which I will be posting later today, go check that out.
Domination.
It's usually I get my creative juices flowing.
Secure the objective. Enemy is Charlie.
What was this guy? I'm sorry.
Enemy has Alpha.
Nice. And it's not fair how some people can get that animation and then others it actually locks on.
We're being dominated. Get aggressive. Securing B.
Nice. Let's go.
Taking Bravo.
Ah, nice.
B locked down.
I can't believe I went on a Fury. That like never happens.
Losing Bravo. We're being dominated. Take those positions.
Ma'am,
Taking A.
I'm gonna have to politely ask you to not kill me.
Taking B.
Well, there's a camo challenge done.
Bravo locked down. Losing B.
10. 10! Oh my god. 11. Jesus, bro, I'm so good at this video game.
Losing B.
Let's go. No! No, 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 no.
Don't do it for me. Get the win for Uncle Sam.
I mean, I'm still going 23-9. I count that as a huge win. Oh, and I got two 5 kills without dying. So that's great.
Commencing capture operation.
Losing B.
2.
This is it. No last chances.
Come on. Just need one more.
Losing Bravo.
No, bro. $29-12.
Withdraw. Withdraw.
I'm absolutely
Reds have
insane.
got us beat.
I am
Head to
insane.
exfil. Don't let him take you alive.
29-12. I am so good at this video game. I am insane. Oh my god, I am so good. Nobody can stop me. Oh my god, I'm so good. Look at this after action report. Like, it had to put all my averages to look like this in order to show just how good I went. As far as objective, it's not the best, but... Elims? What was this game? Oh, we lost that? We don't talk about that. Honestly, though. Let us see how far we are. For you, we need 3 more times. We finished science, so almost there. And then on our way to diamond, we'll go to AK next. I also, though, this is what I do off screen, guys. I grind for dark matter. How far are we? 12. Okay. So it's 12. Has better range, a lot lower speed, but I mean, it's a sledgehammer. It looks dope. Bonk. Get bonked, kid. This is gonna be the death of me, trying to get gold on this so that I can get diamond for the knife. It's gonna be horrible. Launchers are gonna like rip my legs off. Shotguns are gonna be so easy. Pistols are gonna be super easy. Literally almost everything is gonna be easy except for LMGs, the M82, and the KSP, because I hate 3-round burst guns. And maybe the AUG. AUG might be hard, I don't know. I've never used it. Level 1. Okay, that's a lie. I have used it technically. But that's a gunfight. It doesn't count. I almost just knocked over my drink. Killed my PC right there. That wouldn't have been fun. That would have. I don't know. If you guys, I feel like this little loading screen is perfect time. If you guys haven't, please press the subscribe button. Maybe leave a like. And please watch this video all the way through. It really does help. Goal is to get monetized by the end of the year,
Taking the objective.
and that is very hard. You need 1,000 subs,
Enemy has A.
4,000 public watch hours.
C's locked down.
That's seriously that early. I seriously got it that early. I got it that early. Are you serious? Oh, that's a dream.
Losing C.
I don't even have to run knife. Look at me. I'm not even running the knife this game. There's my little 2 streak.
Securing Charlie.
My goal of this game is to finish the kills without dying challenge. Get 5 kills without dying.
Securing Alpha.
I don't even know if that's possible. I mean, I guess if I get 15 kills without dying.
A secure. Enemy has Bravo.
Nah, bro. I can't compete with the MP5s though. So I gotta like keep my range.
Losing A.
I know you're there. Can't hide from me.
Taking B. We're being dominated. Get aggressive. Securing C.
Just gonna casually take C.
Charlie secure.
Easy. You can't kill me. Why is this map so bad?
Securing A.
I'm going 14-7.
Losing Charlie.
Capturing. Protect my six.
We're being dominated. Take those positions. A lockdown.
Why?
Securing B.
Why is it that people can spawn right next to me? I don't get that. Like, how? Why?
B lockdown.
There's so much why in this game. Why does the knife swing so low? Or so
Losing
slow?
Alpha.
Why is the locking on terrible? Why
Lost A.
is an MP5 better at long range than an, like 8K?
Losing Bravo. C lockdown. Losing C.
A lot of questions about this game.
We lost Charlie.
Why can a man just spawn behind me?
Taking C. Taking Alpha. Losing B. Up your game or face the consequences.
There's
They're
three.
dominating us. Go on the offensive.
God, I'm horrible.
Desperate times mean desperate times. We have to take this. Securing C. C secure. Securing Bravo. Losing Charlie.
Oh my god, what is my top guy? 17-14? How is he doing better than me?
There's
How many
no way
captures
this.
does that
The
guy have?
conflict, exit hot zone.
Doing cover now. We are done here.
How did I get worst on the team? I have better stats than that guy. What? What? What does their top guy have? 1850? I went better than this guy. Why do I have less score? What is going on here? That's pretty cool. Is that a sticker or a calling card? That's a freaking sticker. That's not bad. Not too shabby now, bruv. What did we get? We'll go ahead and throw it on. There are gonna be some guns that are just gonna literally be the death of me. Cause like, there's guns like FFAR. I mean, it's alright. QBZ, it's alright. But then there's like the Milano. I hate this gun. AK-74U is gonna be so easy. I love that gun so much. KSP and Bullfrog. Bullfrog is horrible. It's a horrible, horrible weapon. Oh god. I guess both of these snipers are alright. Tundra is better than the Pellington. But the M82 is horrible. Let's see what we on. 13. It's gonna be the last. It's gonna be the last game I'm gonna play, and then we'll get to 14, and then in tomorrow's episode we'll go ahead and unlock it, and we'll get a little bit of gameplay. It's already a 20-minute video. Jeez. Why is this video so long? What is going on? Oh, what? No, wait, that doesn't make any sense. How? I played 2 5-minute matches. Or has it been 4? Nah, it's been 2.
Domination. Take the objectives. Enemy has A. Securing Charlie.
This is so cheap. I like this.
C locked down.
Gotta love it.
Losing Charlie.
Gotta love it. No,
Bravo.
I
They're
hate this game.
dominating us. Go defensive.
Get out of here.
Taking C. Taking Alpha. Charlie secure. Taking B. Securing Alpha.
Cool. Oh, we have a meme in this game again.
Taking Bravo.
Please tell me that's not the Mac 10. Please tell me that's the Milano. I'd rather somebody use the Milano than the Mac 10. Should I execute? No.
Taking B.
Gotta love it.
Losing Charlie.
Who wouldn't love this game? You know.
We are being dominated. Take those positions. Taking A.
Going 3A right now.
A locked down.
No, no. Do you see that? Do you see that? You see that right there?
Frick you.
Frick you. That's what this kid sounds like.
Taking Charlie. Losing Alpha.
Wait, what? Why did that trigger? I did nothing.
Dominating. C locked down.
Hate this game.
Losing C.
It's the worst game. This is the worst game in the COD franchise. Advanced Warfare was better.
HVA, the opposition has pulled ahead. Securing Bravo.
What the hell?
Was that it? Was that? Double kill.
Alright, I'm playing zombies.
Double kill. Double kill. Please. Please, 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 please. Come on, don't do me
Losing
like
Charlie.
this.
To your last breath. Take this back. We are being dominated. Take those positions. Mission is compromised. HVA, RTB.
Me cago en la vecindad de tu madre.
Kids are horrible, honestly. Worst players in the game. Like, I just need a double knife kill, and you guys have to run out here with your Milanos and your QBCs. Like, worst players in the game, bro. Honestly. Get out of here. Did your mom buy you a PS5 for Christmas, huh? Horrible players. Okay, well, I don't feel like playing this game anymore because I'm going to combust if I do. So anyway, hope you guys all enjoyed. If you haven't, hit the subscribe button and leave a like because I already said that. And I'll see you guys in the next one.